Hello everybody, Greg Davis from Savannah. I want to give you a quick tour of the new Yamaha SX190. Just got this boat in, unwrapped. This one comes with the bimini top, the great rear deck which they redesigned with more space. Walking in, you can see that has a snap-in carpet, great seating. There's a table that goes right here for this year. They've gone with the Jensen stereo system. It has the connect screen, a phone holder, the no wake mode, cruise assist, great storage. And you can go up front, you see the great seating, speakers up front. As your rear seating here, one of the nice things Yamaha does is be able to remove this seat. So when you step in and out, you're not standing on your cushions. For more information on this boat or any boats that we carry, please call us in Savannah, 897-9881, area code 912. Thank you.